just got done feeding the critters.
Inside.
It's freezing. Well, starting to get cold.
Water's coming off the trees and the leaves. I gotta go and give this.
So he fed the animals inside. He's gonna go feed
Well,
the
I gave him the wheat over there. They're picking at what wheat. They don't even know the mashing that's inside yet.
And I just got done feeding the bunnies. Yeah, they didn't eat the junk spot, because that was for the chickens. But I'm inside cooking ham hocks
And beans.
and beans. Oh,
Looks like my garden's over.
yeah, I don't think it even began this year though, huh?
Yeah.
We kind of just let it go this year, guys.
Yeah. I don't remember what we put in those buckets. What was it we put in those buckets?
Not much.
No, those buckets there.
Oh, those have to be planted. Those are for Cynthia trees.
Forsythia. Okay.
For
we
Cynthia,
better,
sorry.
we better mark them.
Yeah.
I don't want to have the same thing happen the last time.
Right. Well, we probably can plant them on a nice day. Isn't this pretty? I love it when it gets fall.
I don't like it when it rains like this. though.
No, we're feeling really,
This is a cold rain.
we're feeling kind of groggy.
I've been out of it all day.
Yeah, this weather makes you out of it. We had a lot going on this last couple of weeks too. More than normal.
You wait, guys. I'll be right in there. I'm coming. I got your food for you. These guys are getting really friendly. Come on. Here you go. You got wheat, corn, and chick grower. Gotta use up that chick grower. I've been giving it to the pheasants and I've been giving it to the chickens. I got about 40 pounds of it I gotta use up that I bought for the chicks this spring. We'll hurt them have that extra protein anyhow.
So these are our pheasants.
Ornamental pheasants.
In case you've never seen a pheasant.
Well, they're not the wild ringneck pheasants. These are from China. And
Is it India?
no.
They're both from
Indonesia.
China? Oh, Indonesia. And the leaves are going, you know, I'm getting cold because I have shorts on.
My hands are freezing.
Shorty's over there, my
I gotta find
cat.
another pair of black gloves.
Oh yeah.
I'll have to bring the
Well, I
ones
have
in.
one pair in my purse. Is that the ones you're talking about?
They probably are if they ever been off the. There's a tag thing that holds them together,
Okay.
and they may be the ones. Otherwise, no, the ones you in your purse is from the car
Okay.
because I had you hang on to them while we were in the DMV.
Okay, I couldn't remember what that was about. So, forever cleaning.
Put this on the table so I can take it out to the barn tomorrow.
The cats are all inside because they won't be outside now that it's getting colder. They
No,
might
they
come out for a minute or two, but they're already pounding the dog dish, so they'll all be eating out of his dish half the time. But,
Alright, I'll put this bucket right over here and I can get back out to the barn tomorrow.
okay.
Alright, I'm going in where it's warm.
Okay, guys, so remember,
You too could be a backyard farm.
big or small.
Big or small, I left that out, didn't I?
Okay, bye-bye, guys.